now for something completely different. Spearfishing. Now check this out. I didn't know how I missed until I looked at the video. Let's rewind. The fish gets an uncanny feeling to spin on a dime and have the spear streak past its nose, bare inches away. Now this would have been a tasty fish. Tarpon, on the other hand, are not so tasty and bony. A free lure, people. I've just doubled my lure count on the boat. The dog snapper were a bit scarce that day. But then I saw a familiar flash. She was a long way away and moving further away, just the way I like them. This was going to be one tasty fish, with it avoiding me like the plague and all. Oh, this is going to be great. Hang on, Houston, we have a problem. Taste factor looks like it's dropping a notch. Taste factor falling. Tastiness gone, people. Let's move on. But I give her a thumbs up for trying at the very start. Now this fish made a complete pig's breakfast of my line. I normally like to get the fish in the boat as soon as I can, but this was taking a long time. A shark would definitely be around by now. And there it is. The shark was wanting a free meal. Well, there you go, mate. But he didn't want it. How good's this little work spot? Greetings!
Oh, wow, wow, wow.
Just gonna have a look at Walter's boat again, because it's magnificent. Look at my hair. My goodness, only a mother could love this face and hair. There it is. It's got really good underhull clearance, something like 850. Bloody great. Kick-up rudders can go into, you know, 1/2 metre of water. How good's that? Awesome boat. Aluminium, super stiff, super strong. It's bloody great. Anyway, I caught some fish and we've been invited for lunch. How good's that? The oldest trick in the book, people. I love using it, it's great. And here are the kick-up rudders and their operation. A sacrificial block of wood holds it all in place. If you hit something big, it breaks the block of wood. The cassette falls behind but is attached to a rope and floats free, while the rudder pivots backwards. This boat can float in 20 inches of water. Whoa, baby. Bloody beautiful cockpit. It's got all the shades cloth at the moment. Let's go have a look up front. Wow. Dagger boards. Big windows on the side, lots of ventilation, just a great boat. Great boat. Super strong too, apparently. Super stiff. It's great. Makes me a bit sad being on a boat like this. But, you know, one can always hope and dream. Alright, here we are inside again. If you...
The GoPro and fish, that's my problem.
Yeah. There's Walter. He's just saying he's scared of the GoPro and fish. Alright, here's the beautiful eye making a wonderful Thai dish. Wow, excellent. Can't wait. You're doing the sweet and sour sauce now, right? Alright. Yeah. So how do you make a sweet and sour sauce?
Fry onion, garlic first.
Yep.
And then you put tomato, carrot,
yeah,
or whatever you want to put on, and then put chili sauce.
Okay, excellent.
Chili sauce on and the tomato.
All right.
That's it. Yeah.
Cool.
The boat is really, really beautiful. Peter would love to have a boat like that,
I bet
but he doesn't.
Yeah. I bet you would have liked to be an editor on a boat like this, right?
Well, I wouldn't have said no.
Yes. Yeah, this is a bloody awesome boat. Mind you, Walter has got a lot of gear. He's got every tool known to man. But apparently he's missing a couple still. What's the soup?
Tom yum.
Tom yum.
Tom yum pla in Thai.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Alright. That's all the carcasses and stuff. Alright. See, we use everything. We don't just fill it. We use all parts of the fish because we're not dicks. Okay, people? Oh, looks like everyone's kicked a goal. Are you happy you're not cooking?
These are the cook.
Yeah.
Well, that's not
You're
true.
lucky.
Cook, editor, laughs at my jokes. Great.
You're going to pay extra for
Yeah,
that?
yeah, pretty much. I have to put alcohol into her so she laughs.
Yeah.
Lisa's unimpressed.
Can I help you, my darling?
Thank you very much.
I hope you're talking to Aang. How good's this, people? I don't know if I'm in the picture, if that's okay.
Where's my heart?
What, you mean, does A normally put a heart on the rice?
Yeah, it's got to be hard.
Oh, where's my heart, eh?
Okay, I made that now.
Okay. Where's mine?
That's better. Oh no, they got only one heart.
Only for welder.
You're not having that.
Yeah, can't do that. I'll get kicked off the boat. All right, how good's this, people?
Thank you so much for cooking.
You're
Yeah, thank
welcome.
you.
Thank you for the fish.
Hey, you're welcome.
I showed Peter where it was.
Yeah,
Ah.
he did. He was great help. I'm in love, and I'm in love. And I'm not ashamed to tell the world, people. Who would have thought that love would find me again? But it did, people. I've got bowled right over. And quite frankly, what is not to love? Beauty, strength, sailing ability, and an excellent bridge deck clearance and shallow draft. Hang on. I've used the wrong video. Okay, that's a bit better. Now let's get rid of this crappy music. But I will tell you the story of how I fell in love again. Walter brought out the photo album, and here it is. It starts out with 30 to 40 grand of aluminium and a dream. Marine grade aluminium sheet, tubing, bar and T-section. According to Dinah, and then it's cut, bend, tack and weld, cut, bend, tack and weld, and this mantra continues until the very last piece. It took Walter 19 months to complete the job, and he started it when he was 62 years of age, but that was completely fitted out properly inside. But if I was ever to build one, I would not fit it out perfectly, but have it practical and minimalistic. All you really need is a dry place to sleep and a basic place to cook. And of course, at least 8 other beds for all the interesting crew that you need on your very partially successful vlog to rocket it all the way to mediocre status. Everything is handmade, including the hatches, dagger boards, rudder and steering. Working solidly 6 days a week, this boat can be built in 13 months, ready to sail away.